Is the tone control useless? Well, I never use it, so I thought it was, but I asked you guys in a survey what you thought. And I was a little surprised. 20% said always. So it's kind of evenly divided between those who not or rarely use it and those who sometimes and always use it. But anyways, I never use it. So for me, it's kind of a waste of space. So I decided to upgrade the guitar with this little thing right here. This is the Fender TBX Pod treble bass expander, and what it does is you can turn it one way and then it acts like a normal tone control, but when you turn it the other way it cuts the bass instead of cutting the treble. So it's kind of a low pass high pass filter. So I'm going to put this in the guitar right now to see if it makes the tone knob in the guitar more useful. This is the first test after putting it in. Okay, it works. Is this better or worse? I think I made a mistake. I pushed pretty hard to get the knob on there. Right now I can't really feel the middle. Let's just hear it right now. That should be in the middle with nothing. Let's try to move it to 10. A little brighter. So what do you think? Is it worth it? It's a little subtle, but it's there, and it only took me about an hour to do, and it's pretty cheap. And this guitar is already kind of a tone monster. With these 3 pickups and 2 toggle switches, I have access to all 7 pickup combinations, and now I might even begin to use the tone knob, so I think it's worth it. If you want to see how all of this is wired to get the most tone out of this guitar, check out the video right here.